G'day everybody, Johnny G, Naked Racer Motor Co. Here today in France with a great friend of mine, Ivan Young.
Hi.
Ivan's been a friend for many years. I know his father very well. I met him years ago in the USA and we've remained friends. And we come to visit here. Most years we try to come here. And Ivan's good enough to look after our motorcycle. So this is where we keep our bike that we go touring on in Europe. And we're just here. We've picked up the bike. We're all loaded up and we're about to go. But I thought I'd give you a quick look around Ivan's beautiful man cave here. And as you can see, he's working on a beautiful 1931 Indian Scout. He's just doing a top end reconditioning. And he's a bit of a brain. He does a lot of motorcycle engineering and he's involved in racing. As you can see over in the back over here, this is his chief bobber that he races. And there's many, many bikes here, very valuable bikes and very rare bikes. If you look over here to my left, we've got a Warrior, which is Indian made in the late 40s and 50s. And they basically stopped production of Indian Chiefs in 1949 to get these bikes off the ground. Beautiful looking thing. And the cylinder and head look just like they're off a radial aircraft engine. And they're a good thing. Unfortunately, had electrical issues and didn't really sell very well, but they're rare and we like them. So anyway, how long have you been interested in Indian motorcycles, Ivan?
I think it's about 30 years now. So quite some years. I started with that 101. That's my first Indian.
Wow.
So this is a long story.
You started at the top. One of the most expensive and one of the most desirable Indians ever made.
Yeah, it was by accident. I didn't know the model, but I just happened to be lucky that it's one of the most desirable bike, which I'm lucky. I would never sell it.
Yes, that's great. And obviously, you know, your father had a lot of influence. He's American and he married your mother who was French. And he was always big in Indian motorcycles. And obviously that sort of rubbed off on the whole family.
Yeah. But we start with Dollar motorcycle, which is a French bike with the Indian head on the tank emblem.
Yes.
And this was like a sign. We at that time we did not knew that Indian was existing, but we liked the Dollar motorcycle, and we started with that as a first motorcycle, which are like mopeds for you guys compared to an Indian on Harley. Yeah. But it was a great learning curve to work on those bikes.
Yeah. No, fantastic. And Ivan's wife, Natalie, she rides an Indian. Yeah. His brother rides an Indian. His brother's wife rides an Indian. Yeah. And his father rides an Indian. So fantastic, you know, just we get on so well.
Indian clan.
And he also works on Harley Davidson, begrudgingly, but he works on Harley Davidsons.
Yeah.
And he's got some amazing bikes over here. We'll have a quick look in a minute. He's got a Henderson 4-cylinder under one of these covers, which is a KJ, which is very rare and desirable. He's going to sell it to me very cheap any day now. I've got it on good authority. Yeah. Okay, let's have a quick look at it.
Then we show you the...
This is the KJ. You can see the beautiful Speedo cluster here, messenger seat, and the beautiful 4-cylinder engine.
That's I don't know if you're interested, but this is a pizza of a Dollar motorcycle with an Indian motorcycle. It's a mixed.
Oh, yeah. I remember you were building that, yes.
Yeah. I will put it afterwards.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's got, what engine is that?
The bottom end is a 741 Scout. The top engine is a 600cc old Scout, meaning
vintage Scout.
Yeah, 1928.
Yep.
So they bolt together. The magneto is from aviation type magneto, all aluminum, And the frame is a dollar frame, French motorcycle dollar.
Yeah, I like it. It's very similar to 741 where it bolts together, but the top spine is cast.
Completely dollar. This is no tube. It's a completely cast iron.
And the fork is obviously 741.
No, it's
Dollar.
a dollar.
Wow.
Yeah.
It looks just like a 741.
Yeah,
Fantastic.
but it's a little bit smaller in size, and the wheels are the drums are big diameters, 200 millimeter
Yes.
diameter, so it's a sports type.
Yeah.
Big. So that was like more of some fun. I built the bike and more like a custom.
Yeah, it's a very nice bike.
Custom build.
All right, guys. Well, thanks for joining us, and we've had a great time chatting about Ivan's man cave. We're going to hit the road now on our bike and go and see a bit of the French Riviera. So we'll check in again soon. Adios.
Adios.